Hi everyone, I hope that you all are doing good. So in today's session, we will solve this question number 7 of exercise 1.3. Okay, so this question number 7 is saying students that in one class test, okay, one class test is there which is containing total of 10 questions. How many questions? 10 questions. Okay, and in that class test, it is the rule that for each correct answers, how much marks is given? 5 marks is given. Okay, and against each incorrect answers -2 marks is given. Okay, मतलब कि अगर आप सही जवाब दे रहे हो then you will be given 5 marks, and if you are giving wrong answers then you will be given or your score will be deducted by -2 marks. ठीक है, ये रूल है उस क्लास टेस्ट का. और क्लास टेस्ट में कितने क्वेश्चंस हैं? टोटल 10 क्वेश्चंस. एंड वन मोर रूल इज देयर, दैट इज इफ यू आर नॉट अटेम्प्टिंग द क्वेश्चन, अगर क्वेश्चन को हल नहीं कर रहे हो, मीन्स छोड़ दिया, ना ही तो सही जवाब दिया ना ही गलत जवाब दिया, देन यू विल बी गिवन 0 मार्क्स और वी कैन नेग्लेक्ट इट ऑल्सो. ओके, फिर से एक बार मैं I would like to repeat myself once again. Okay, one class test is there, okay, which is containing 10 questions, and against each correct answers you will be given 5 marks, and against each incorrect answers you will be given -2 marks, and if you are not attempting the question you will be given 0 marks. This is the rule of the class test. Okay, now this question is asking in 3 segments, students, about 3 students. These 3 students are attending that class test, and see, it is asking that Mohan is getting 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. Means Mohan is a participant who is attending this class test, and he is giving 4 correct answers and 6 incorrect answers. So the question is asking you what is his final score. So the question is very simple, students. What we will do, first we will find out the total marks for giving correct answers and total marks for giving incorrect answers, and then we will find out the final marks of Mohan or any student. How? By subtracting it. जो सही जवाब दे रहा है उसका कितना मार्क्स मिलता है उसे, गलत जवाब दे रहा है उसका कितना मार्क्स मिलता है. अगर ये दोनों को हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं, ठीक है, इफ वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट देम देन वी विल गेट द टोटल स्कोर ऑफ एनी इंडिविजुअल हु इज पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द क्लास टेस्ट. सो हियर फर्स्ट आई विल सॉल्व दिस फर्स्ट सेगमेंट. सो टोटल मार्क्स फॉर करेक्ट आंसर्स, टोटल marks of Mohan for correct answers is equal to how much, students? How much will be it? It will be equal, he is giving 4 correct answers, and for one question, for one correct answers 5 marks is given. Okay, so 4 correct answers, it will be given 4 into 5, that is equal to 20 marks. 20 marks he is getting for what? For correct answers. Now we will calculate the total marks of Mohan for incorrect answers. How much it will be? Here you can write 5 into 4, students, because 5 is given for 1 and for 5 marks is given for 1 correct answer, and he has attempted 4 correct answers, so 5 into 4. Now here we are giving -2 marks for 1 wrong answer, and he is giving how many incorrect answers? 6. So we will multiply it by 6, so we will get here total score. Now this is simple multiplication of integer. 6 2 is 12, minus into plus will give you minus, so it is -12. Now here we will find out the net score of Mohan is equal to how much, students? He was given 20 marks, 20 total marks, है ना, and then his marks were deducted for incorrect answers. How much? 12. So we will subtract this 12. So the Mohan will have how much students? After subtracting you will have 8. Okay, so this is the total marks of Mohan. So I hope that you understood it. Now similarly we will find out for Reshma and Hina. In case of Reshma students, what she is, how many questions she is attempting? She is attempting 5 correct answers. And how many incorrect answers? 5 incorrect answers. So verbally also we can solve it students, है ना. देखो बताऊं मैं कैसे verbally solve कर सकते हैं. she is attempting 5 correct answers. So how much will be her score for 5 correct answers? 5 5s are 25. Now she is attempting 5 again wrong answers. Okay, so how much will be the score of giving wrong answer? 5 into -2 -10. Okay, now what will be the net score of this girl Reshma? So it will be 25 minus 10, and finally we will get it as 15. Similarly we can solve verbally this Hina's score. We can also find out very easily verbally students. How? See here, she is giving 2 correct answers. So for giving correct answers, 5 into 2 we will get 10. Okay, 10 for giving correct answers. Now I am talking about Hina. Again she is giving how many incorrect answers? 5. So what will be the score for giving incorrect answers? So it will be 5 into 2, that is -10. Now if you will find her net score, then this plus 10 you will have to add to -10. So both will cancel each other, and then finally you will get 0. So the score of Hina will be 0. So like this these questions are solved students. See, I am leaving this segment number 2 and 3 for you like this only. Just you have to change the name and you have to solve it. So I hope that you will solve segment number 2 and 3. Okay, we'll meet you in the next video. Till then all of you stay safe, take care, bye bye everyone.